Hi, it's Becky with Stand Up Desk Store. A standing desk can help reduce back and neck pain while boosting productivity, energy, and focus. To get the most out of your standing desk, avoid these 5 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, you don't set it up properly. A desk that's not set up right can make you feel tired and sore. Make sure your desk is adjusted so that your eyes are level with the top of the monitor, the screen is about 30 inches away from you, your back, neck, and wrists are straight, your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. For more information, check out our guide to better posture in the link below. Mistake number 2, you stand too much too soon. During the first week, only stand for a few minutes. Then gradually increase your stand time as you get more comfortable. Mistake number 3, you don't change positions. Experts recommend that you regularly alternate between sitting and standing. How long should you stand for? It depends on your age. For people under 40 years old, experts recommend about 30 minutes of standing per hour. For people over 40, experts recommend around 24 minutes of standing per hour. This is just a guideline. Factor in your fitness level and personal preference. Standing for even just a few minutes every hour can be beneficial, so just do what works for you. Mistake number 4, you don't wear comfortable shoes. If your dress shoes aren't comfortable to walk in, they won't be good for standing. Wear your dress shoes for meetings and sales presentations. When you return to your desk, change into something a little more supportive. Mistake number 5, you don't accessorize. The right accessories can help you stay organized, productive, and pain-free. For maximum comfort and cushioning, an anti-fatigue mat is a must. For pain-free typing, consider a sliding keyboard and mouse tray. Since desktop clutter is a proven productivity killer, choose organization solutions like a pencil drawer, backpack hook, USB charging station, and a rolling file cabinet. We hope you enjoyed our video on the top 5 mistakes standing desk users make. Thanks for watching.